and welcome back. This is B here. Pam's behind the camera today.
Hello.
And we are back in Pam's kitchen today.
Yay.
And we are continuing with our list of extract. Now, another favorite extract I like to make is lemon extract. My daughter, she loves she'll ask me to make her a lemon cake or, lemon, something lemony. She likes it. So the lemon extracts, first of all, they're the ones that I have used, that I bought. They're not too lemony, and she likes it lemony. So I felt like, okay, Pam, we gotta make our own extract because it's not lemony enough. And yeah, we put the zest while we're baking, but still, sometimes you don't have lemons on hand. You want to whip up something quick. You want your extract to have that good flavor.
And it doesn't add a lot of liquid to get a flavor.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we were like, okay, we have to film this for people because I'm sure people who love lemon, let's say lemon poppy seed cake, are not getting enough flavor from their lemons. So here we have it. We did cut some of the peel out of 3, and we kind of used this for the other 3.
Yeah, which is a zester, but
yeah, it's a.
I don't like it. It's not my favorite.
Yeah,
tool.
it wasn't really hard. So cutting it up was, this is how it took the peel off, which is nice, but really it takes a lot of time. So we ended up, cutting off the peel and chopping it up. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna stuff all this in this bottle, and I will link the bottle. I showed it to you guys in the mint extract video. It comes in a pack of 6, comes with this funnel, and comes with a little pen to mark it. So I'm gonna stuff these in here, and then we're gonna come back and fill it up with vodka. Okay, so we have shoved all the peels in here. It takes a minute because this is
to get it in. Yeah,
but it's all in there.
It's so pretty.
Yeah, and same thing here. We're gonna leave just a little bit of gap up top, and we're gonna fill it up, and we're gonna let it sit on the counter for 4 to 6 weeks, and then after that, if you want it to be. If you think it's strong enough, you want to take some out, or you want to put the extract in something else, you can do that.
Yeah.
And
I would treat this the same as my vanilla extract.
Yeah.
Like as you use it, you want to add more peel to it, and add a little bit more vodka, keep it going.
Yeah. And then I'm just gonna.
Those cute little bottles.
I know, they're cute, right? And then shake it up. I'm going to keep this on the counter for Tia. This is going to be her morning chore. While her breakfast gets ready, she can shake up the bottles. So I'm going to keep these in a dark, dry place. And they're going to sit there for 4 to 6 weeks. And if I feel like it's getting too strong, I'm just going to strain it out and put it in a separate bottle. And maybe put half the peels in there to keep the flavor. But that's how I'm going to keep this in a cool, dark, dry place. So make it. Tell us how you like making your own extract, or if there's one that you've always been making, let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video, and we will see you back here again next week. Bye for now.